that phase that where the court is supposed to deal with this issue, it is our submissions that this is the stage that this honorable court must ensure, because it is the court, that all aspects and proceedings are dealt with in a manner that we all had, and I'm happy for the time that the court has agreed to allocate us, so that the court with sober minds can be able to decide, have the laws of our countries been upheld or not. My Lord, there are clear guidelines that have been set out by our constitutions for purposes of doing that. And my Lord, because we are here because of an application for conservatory orders, under Article 159 of the Constitution, this court has an express duty that in exercising the delegated judicial power of the people of Kenya, it is required, the certain guidelines have been given by the Constitution under Article 159, that is besides other provisions of the Constitutions. And one of the most important one is that that the court will do substantive justice. Substantive justice is an important issue, and it has specific meaning through the very many decisions that have been rendered over time by the courts of this country. And the clear meaning in plain English, because it is important we understood in plain English simple things. That, for example, my lords, if we have a case over a goat, Mr. X and Mr. Y have a case over a goat, this goat should remain at the end of the decision. The court can decide whether it belongs to Mr. X or Mr. Y. That is the very simple meaning of substantive justice. So that, my Lord, substantive justice, therefore, conservatory orders, is a mechanism that our laws preserves the goat. Our laws preserves the subject matter of the case. The subject matter of the case, my Lord, is the questions of vacancy in the office of the president. Going by the Senate, the deputy president was impeached. On account of the orders that have been given, that office is yet to be filled. So that, my Lord, the question, therefore, is easy to define and can be defined this way. That, as we wait for the hearing and determinations of this case, the Honorable Kindiki will now be the Deputy President of Kenya, so that as we argue the petitions, there is already the impeachment process has been concluded to the disadvantage of the other people, of the other person who is seeking the same office. So that, my Lord, is a simple issue that is very easy to define. So that, my Lord, we shall be arguing that when we come to that particular issue, why on earth, because you have a conservatory order, is the legal mechanism, the legal device that is established by the constitutions to preserve the substratum of the matter and for this court to do substantive justice. How on earth does the respondents expect that substantive justice will be possible if the trophy that is being